Hi, JJ here with ASUS. We're going to show you some of our brand new mini PCs here at CES 2018. So this one right here is our brand new Chromebox 3. This is the CN65. Now, this is the previous generation Chromebox, which has been really popular, but a lot of people were looking for much more performance. Now with Chrome OS being able to now support Android integration, there's a lot of applications that might need more power. So this will be updated to support 8th generation based Intel CPU. We've also improved the body with more connectivities and more expansion support. So here on the front you have your micro SD, 2 USB 3, multi-jack for the audio, and then as we move to the back here, of course, your gigabit Ethernet, 3 additional USB 3 ports, HDMI full size, and USB Type-C. The unit does also have integrated wireless, and there's also an improved new heatsink design still to be able to ensure quiet and cool operation. Now as we move down here, we've got something that's going to be more suited for users that are looking to run, of course, a Windows environment, and this is a refresh from our current UN series. So the UN series has been very popular. It's now updated with 8th gen CPU support, faster memory, and more connectivity, include USB 3.1 Gen 2 support, and fast charging up to 1.5 amps. So you can see here 2 USB 3 ports, the power button, and then as we move here to the back, you have HDMI, display port, 2 more USB 3, as well as your gigabit Ethernet, and this unit also does include 2x2 811 AC wireless and a multi-jack connection, as well as a barrel connection for the power. And there on the side you have a full-size SD card reader with SD, XC, and HC support. Now this unit is an update to our actual UN series, entirely new chassis design. This will actually be fanless in terms of the actual heatsink solution, and will come in 2 different versions. It will support the Gemini Lake platform as well as Core series chipsets for higher performance, with definitely supporting i3 and i5. For connectivity, you can see you have a multi-jack connection, USB Type-C, quick charge support, dual USB 3 ports, including support for 3.1 Gen 2, your power button, and then moving to the back here, HDMI, display port, gigabit Ethernet, and then 2 more USB 3 and a barrel power plug. For here, this connection may change depending on the configuration. We have VGA, but it could also be a serial-based connection. You see that there's a lot of venting to ensure active airflow, ensure quiet and cool operation. Of course, this is fanless. The big update here is also going to be the redesign for accessing this unit. So it's 4 screws, and once it's removed, you will have full access to your traditional SSD, and then from there on the inside, very easy to be able to upgrade every key component. 2 SODIMM slots, half-height mini PCI wireless, and then full-length 2280 M.2 support.